An awesome benefit of sleeping on the floor on a firmer surface is that the moment you wake up, you could already incorporate some great stretches to just get your blood flowing, get you ready and prepared for the day, and you don't even have to roll out of bed, literally. So I figured I'd share with you real quick 3 of my favorite stretches I like to do right in bed before I actually start my day. I kicked my husband out of bed specifically for you guys. Disclaimer, I am not a medical professional. I just professionally sleep on the floor. So make sure that if you feel pain of any sort, you need to stop, and you should, before you do anything, consult your doctor, your physical therapist, all that good stuff. I'm just sharing with you what works for me. Secondly, full disclosure, I did put on eyebrows, so that's the only difference in my appearance from waking up. And also making sure that I had no eye crud. So if you're ready to get into it, let's go. The first stretch you're laying down actually, so we're gonna lay down. So firstly, when I wake up, I'm not really trying to spring out of bed. I mean, I could if I wanted to because I do feel good overall, but I kind of want to just ease into being awake. So one thing I like to do is just kind of move my ankles around, and also that's just really good for ankle mobility, right? So I'll do like circles. Maybe for mindfulness, I'll do like one ankle at a time or whatever. I'll just draw a circle with my feet. Full disclosure too, I did put on toe socks. All right, and then I'll do the other foot also. If you want like extra points, you can also like lift your leg in the air and do this. But it just, it's just good to kind of like slowly start getting your lower body awake. And you could also kind of like point your toes towards your shin more, like bring them in towards you. I can feel a calf stretch. Ah, that's so good. And then also extend your toes away from you, extend your feet away from you. Just very chill. And I didn't even have to get up yet. I'm just like literally laying in bed on the floor, and it's great. And after that, I put my covers back on and I go back to sleep. Just kidding. Okay. By the way, these stretches are great for when you wake up in the morning and when you go to bed at night. So feel free to incorporate them whenever. And if you want a free guide to these stretches, you can click on the link below, complete with bonnet. So then the next one that you can do from there, since you're still laying down, is you can just bring your knee to your chest. It's nice because you're still just here on the floor. And you could even keep rolling your ankles too, but you could incorporate this like maybe like 20 seconds, 20 to 30 seconds, and then switch sides. Oh my goodness. There's like names for these. I don't know. I'll just put some names on the screen once I figure out what they are, but I think this one is like supine. You know why I'm not saying the real name is because I don't know how to say supine. Supine, knee to chest. Isn't this like the best angle? I said 3 stretches, but you're gonna get bonus stretches because I'm reminded more of like the other stuff that I do too. Let's sit up for a little bit because you can't have all the fun on the floor, right? You should sit up a bit. My voice still sounds like a toad because I literally just woke up, but hey. So another stretch you can do is have a arm back and then cross your right leg over your left leg. Your right foot should be beside your left knee on the outside, and then you can look over your shoulder. And the reason I have a bonnet on, guys, is because only the best for you. It's so early in the morning, I don't want to scare anybody, so it's in everyone's best interest. Like, at least I'm making a video. Let's switch sides, guys. Technically, I was supposed to release another video this week, and I got through editing it, and I was like ready to publish it, but just it didn't feel right. It didn't sit right. So I was like, we're gonna do something else, guys. That's why I'm a couple days late. But you know what? I'm still here. Let's like flip over onto our stomach if you're able to. Let's start here. We're just gonna do this. And then like if you want to be like really great about it, you like push up a bit more, but oh, I feel like my belly button is stretching. Guys, I don't do yoga or anything, but like these are just some, I think, just overall some good stretches to do. I can't be a fitness instructor because I would laugh too much and I'd probably make other people laugh too much and we wouldn't get anything done. And then if you want, you can go like this. Take this child's pose, but again, I do not practice yoga, guys. Whatever it is, it feels good. All right, I think that's enough stretches. I think you got like bonus stretches. So I over-delivered for this video. But But yeah, there's like a lot of things you can do when you first wake up. Like it doesn't have to be that you just like wake up and then you just like get out of bed. Like you can like do these things to just help your blood get flowing. I do have a Reddit now. It's called Floor Living. I hope you'll join. I think we're up to like 55 members at the time of this recording. So please do join and share with us your floor adventures. I'd love to hear from you there too. Okay, thank you so much. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.